Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So welcome everyone on my 7th basic grammar class, and today we are going to discuss about various kinds of pronouns, specifically about personal pronouns. So and make sure to grab yourself a notebook and pen so that you can write the concepts which you were not aware or which is new to you, and it also helps you register in your mind 85%. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So before we start with the session today, let's recap what we have understood so far. So in our previous videos we covered about pronoun, its various types of pronouns like he, she, her, him, and then we also covered subject, predicate and object. And if you guys haven't watched those videos yet, then I encourage you to go and watch them, because these videos are the pivot or the crux which will help you progress and understand better these sessions. So links are in the description box and in the I button above. Just click on them and watch the videos. So what are types of pronouns? They are personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So these are the types of pronoun, but today we are going to talk about personal pronoun and what is all about personal pronoun. So personal pronouns are divided into multiple facets. So let's discuss them one by one. First, it's divided into a point of view. And point of view, there are basically three types in English, and they are first person, second person, and third person. Let's take an example. There is a boy, Rajesh, who is talking to Kamla, the second person, and they are talking about the third person, Rahul. Rajesh, the first person, is somebody who is speaking. So he says to Kamla that Rahul is a very intelligent boy. And second person is somebody who is listening. And we are here talking about Rahul who is intelligent. So that's a point of view. And again, the second part is form. And form is divided into two parts, singular and plural. Singular is all about talking about one person or thing, and plural is talking about more than one person or thing. Later, personal pronoun can be divided into three types. They are subjective, possessive, and objective. Let's understand them one by one. What is subjective pronoun? It is used to address subject. Let's take some example. I, he, she, who, they. So what are possessive pronoun? It is used to show ownership. And what are its example? My, mine, our, ours, his, her, hers, their, theirs, whose. And let's dive into the third type of personal pronoun, that's objective. It is used to address object. For example, us, him, her, whom, them. So these are the type of different personal pronouns, and let's recap quickly so that we have a clear understanding. So we talked about point of view, form, and three types of personal pronouns. These are the three things which we talked about so far. Now let's deep dive into each one of them and understand what does it mean with example. So first of all is first person, represent the person speaking. So first person, do you remember the example we took where the first person, Rajesh, was speaking about Rahul? So he is the person who's speaking, is denoted as first person. So the first person is being divided into two parts, singular and plural. And similarly, these things are divided into three types. Subjective, where singular is I and plural is denoted as we. Second one is possessive, where singular is known as my or mine and plural is our or ours. And the last one is objective, which is known as me and us. Let's take some example, and we take example based on singular form and plural form. First we take as singular form. I am a good cook. So here I is a singular form. Plural form, we are a team of specialized chef. So here we is a plural form. So this was all about the first person. Next is second person. He is a person who represents as a listener. Do you remember Kamla from the example? She was somebody who was listening from Rajesh. So they are singular or plural both. Like they can be denoted same. So again they are divided into three types. First one is subjective and they are denoted as you. Possessive, they are denoted as your or yours. And finally objective and they are denoted as you. So let's take some example again in singular form and plural form. First, singular form. You like swimming. Here you is singular form. And plural form, you are all a great team of swimming. So here again plural is also you. So let's deep dive into the third person. The third person is the person or thing other than first and second person who has been denoted. Like, do you remember the example Rahul? Rajesh was speaking, Rahul was intelligent. So that's the person who has been represented here. So again, this is also divided into two parts, singular and plural. And these two are divided into three types. They are being subjective and they denote he, she, it, and plural they. Possessive, his, her, or hers in singular, and their or theirs in plural. Objective, him, her, it, and them. Let's take some example and again in two forms, singular form and plural form. Singular form, he reads book daily. So here he is a singular form and plural form, they read newspaper daily. So here they is denoted as plural form. So let's take a look of the chart which we have covered, where we covered about personal pronoun and its two forms, singular, plural, and point of view. So I, me, mine, mine, we, us, our, second person, you, your, yours, you, your, yours. It's the same thing as discussed already. Third person being he, she, his, her, hers, him, it, they, their, theirs, them. So this is what we covered so far, and now let's revise what we have learned today. So firstly, we talked about types of pronoun and their multiple stuff. So firstly, types of pronoun, and then we discussed about its various types. They are being point of view, form, or three types of personal pronoun. And then thirdly, we talked about this amazing chart which is covering the whole session about personal pronoun, its forms, its types. So yeah, this is what we covered today. So this is pretty much about the video, guys, and I'll see you next week again with an amazing video continuing with this series. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you guys feel any value added in your life, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning from. And if you guys have any queries related to anything, then you can reach out to me through YouTube or also on my Instagram. And here is my Instagram handle, as you can see here, it's Pranav Official, and you can DM me there. I'll try to answer all of you. So I'll see you next week again. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.